Hi everyone, this is field of wheatcraft and one boy is standing here. And now I am Vicky. I am making this video in the threshing floor. People say it in Hindi Khalihan. Okay, so now it is Sunday today, and now it's it's evening time, and now I'm making here video because I will upload this video after some minutes. No, after making this video I'm just try to upload this video. I will not take more time, so this video will be uploaded at 3 p.m. Okay, so now, and because last day I didn't upload video, so I thought, oh my god, I wasted my one day. I wasted my one day, so I should not have wasted, but we can't do anything by regretting. Okay, I i can only think, accept this. I can't do anything because once the time passed, that never come back. Okay, that never comes back. So I will not think, I will not regret, just I will try to move on now. And when I talk with people, that I think, oh my god, today I have learned causative sentences, causative type sentences. So I didn't use any causative sentences while talking. So these things happens with everyone. I don't know, but it is happening with me. Okay, and I didn't use passive sentences. So I regret. Oh my god, why I use only from tense, because tense is important topic. Tense, modals, and passive. But there are many advanced structure from that we can make our English good. Okay, through that we can make our English good. You know, by the way, mm, I have to buy my new mobile. Okay, but it will take more time. Okay, I am thinking when I will get 2000 subscriber, then I will buy new phone. Okay, so I will work from, till then I will work from this mobile. Okay, video becomes good or not, video is normal. I don't try to make it very effective, but some new learner watch my video till the end. But I want to request them, please try to write in the comments and tell me in the comments your suggestion. So I will read your suggestion, and I will try to respond, and definitely I will respond your suggestion, and from your suggestion I will try to learn. Okay, and I will improve my English. So request is from you all, please write in the comments and share this video, like and subscribe, because new learners can help new learners. Okay, we can learn each from each other. So you support me, I will also support you. Okay, so like this we can start supporting, and there are many new learner in India. So how, so when you try to talk with a fluent English speaker, that time you feel shy, you feel demotivated. Then when we will talk confidently, if you face new learner, that time you will also face some difficulties, but that time you try to speak confidently. Yes, on these things happens with only co-learner. Okay, so I am requesting you, please, if you are new learner, so please subscribe this video. And you also, if you want to talk with me, then you can talk, message me. Yes bro, yes brother, I want to talk to you. Then definitely i will I will respond to you and I will reply. Okay, and but before talking, I will write, I will tell you what time we will talk. Okay, so this way we need to support each other, because without support we can't move ahead. Okay, we can't move on. So this is very important things I have told you. Okay, yes, there are many new learner bro. Yes, who hasn't started yet. Just because of shy, because of fear, because of hesitation. In short video I have mentioned in the short video, these three things are enemy for us. So try to defeat them. Yes, try to defeat them. And we should be focused. We must focus on our strength. Try to hold try to hold your strength. Okay, you know suppose you are going somewhere and there are many people. What that time, if you are speaking and someone interrupt you, that time you feel nervous, you will not speak anymore. Why? Because you haven't practiced. You haven't practiced of speaking English in front of people. So I start talking. Suppose you are coming out from your home, then I start speaking English and come out from your village while speaking English. Let people listen. They will see, no, he is just speaking English, but don't matter. They will look you 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, at least 10 days. But after that, they will understand. Yes, he is learning English, so let him learn. He is doing good. Okay, so now uh, I didn't say anything, but what did I say? You also know, but we should support each other. Okay, so support me also. I will also support you. So thank you for today. Bye.